This video is all about how to make a rabbit. So here you make an oval shape, big enough like that. So here this is the size more and this is the size less. So what you do here is that to get the face done, you make a round shape like that. And then you make a ear here and the second ear here. Then do one thing, make an oval shape here. These should be in one direction. Then make a small circle here and then do one thing, make a round shape here and make a round shape here. Now take this turn as round and give this an elevation and take this back here round. Okay. Now from this side what we do here is you get this round by looking at this side and take this up and round, take a round shape. Then get this here and take a round shape. From this side you take a turn up and take this down. Get a round shape here and take this back and give a turn till this side. This turn should come. Now after doing so, make a round here. Take this curve. Make a round shape. Make a round shape. After doing so, take this down, take this down, take this down, draw 3 lines, and after drawing these lines, extend this here and make a turn back, make this round shape here, get a round shape here and take this turn back and give this a flat line, and from this flat line you take a turn back, give this a line here, and give this line here, come with a line over here and make a line like that. Make one line, make second line, give a line straight and take this turn back and make a turn here, take this turn up and take a round shape. Now from this side give a shape like this, show this side and take a turn here, take a shape like that. So this is how your rabbit will come. Now from this side you make few lines like that, 3 lines, make few lines like this.